Attention North Huron Fire Wingham Station, please respond 90540 London Road at Master Feeds for a fire alarm. Zone 7 Fire Control Room, keyholders are pending. 90540 London Road for a fire alarm, Zone 7. Our first page is 84849. Attention North Huron Fire Wingham Station, please respond 90540 London Road. The master feeds for a fire alarm, Zone 7. The fire control room, the orders are pending. 90540 London Road for a commercial fire alarm. Our second page is 84948. Wingham Fire, please respond.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 2.
Go ahead.
Car 2 acknowledges page for the Wingham Station. Alarm at Master Feeds, Wingham Station responding shortly.
Roger, I copy. Car 2, you're acknowledging the page 85016.
Car 2, Car 3. Go ahead, Car 3 is Car 2. Car 2, just responding to the station. We do have significant weather down here right now. Do you just want us to head out or just hold until you get on scene? Yeah, I think just hold there. I just came from Blyth. The roads aren't very nice, so just hold there until we get there, I think. Confirm that.
Fire dispatch to Car 2 for an update. Fire dispatch to Wingham Station for an update.
Go ahead, Wingham Station. Or go ahead, dispatch to Wingham Station.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1.
Roger, just be advised, spoke to the alarm company again. They had spoken to a key holder who spoke to on-site advising that everything's 10-4 at that location and it was a false alarm. Engine 1, go ahead.
Go ahead, dispatch.
Engine 1, if you're calling dispatch, go ahead.
Dispatch, this is Car 2. We're going to stand down Engine 1, and Car 2 and Car 4 will just defend.
Roger, Engine 1 standing down. Car 2, Car 4, you're en route. C55.
Fire dispatch. Car 4.
Car 4, go ahead.
Show Car 2 and Car 4 on scene. Nothing showing. We'll just be in touch with staff on site. Confirm it is a false alarm.
Roger, 4-2, you're on scene. Nothing showing. Speak with staff on site to confirm it's a false alarm and C58.
Fire dispatch, Car 4.
Go ahead.
Dispatching in the show, Midwest staff on site. No alarms going. Alarm has been reset. Car 2, Car 4, clear the scene. Return to Wingham Station. Clear the descent off.
That's Roger, Car 4, you met with staff on site. No alarm sounding at that time. You've reset the alarm. Car 2 and 4, you're clear returning to the station. You're requesting the call be cleared off at this time. It's 9:06:27. Have a good day.
Thank you, dispatch.